Hi, this is Ed Cross with a 1-minute tip regarding mechanics liens. A mechanics lien is a security interest against real property recorded in favor of a party who repaired or improved that real property. It constitutes an encumbrance against the legal title on the property, which means that the owner of the property is entitled to pursue a legal claim for damages if the lien is invalid. Liens are often invalid because they are not timely recorded. In California, for example, a mechanics lien must be recorded within 90 days of substantial completion of the work. Substantial completion of the work normally means that the property is ready for occupancy and for its intended purpose. After a mechanics lien is recorded, the holder of the lien has only 90 days in California to sue to perfect that lien. No preliminary notice is required if the contractor is dealing directly with the owner, but the contract with the owner must disclose the mechanics lien rights. If you have any questions about mechanics liens, give me a call at 760-773-4002 or send an email to edcross@edcross.com. Thank you and good luck with your mechanics liens.